Hello everyone, welcome to Poland with Ela. I'm Ela and I'll be showing you around the most beautiful and interesting places in Poland and explaining the intricacies about the Polish culture, history and traditions. And today I will be taking you to the Jasna Góra monastery, or in English, the Bright Mountain, which is located in the city of Częstochowa in the Silesia region. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's go! The Jasna Góra monastery is a shrine dedicated to the Virgin Mary. The site itself is one of Poland's official national historic monuments. The image of the Black Madonna of Częstochowa, also known as Our Lady of Częstochowa, is Jasna Góra's most precious treasure. The icon, depicting the Mother of God with two scars on her cheek, holding the Christ child, is widely venerated and credited with many miracles. Some of the Thanksgiving votive offerings from the faithful are displayed in the Black Madonna's chapel. On the left side of the Virgin Mary's icon we can see St. John Paul II's fascia stained with blood. He offered it at the Częstochowa shrine during his pilgrimage to Poland in 1983. Offering it, he thanked Blessed Mary for saving his life 2 years earlier. On the right, there is 3 papal golden roses, a unique expression of respect and appreciation. The first one is from Pope John Paul II, which he offered here in 1979. The second one from Pope Paul VI. Though he could not deliver it personally, the communist authorities did not let him visit Poland. It was delivered by Pope Benedict XVI. The third one is from Pope Francis, offered to the Black Madonna in 2016. The most famous of the miracles that is accredited to Our Lady of Częstochowa is saving the Bright Mountain Monastery from a siege in the so-called Swedish Deluge, a Swedish invasion that took place in the 17th century. This event stimulated the Polish resistance and ended up with the Swedish army being pushed out of the country. Shortly thereafter, on the 1st of April 1656, Jan Kazimierz, who was the King of Poland, consecrated the country to the protection of the Mother of God and proclaimed her the patron and the queen of the lands of his kingdom. Every year since the Middle Ages, thousands of Poles go in pilgrim groups on foot to visit Jasna Góra. In 2011, for example, it was estimated that about 3.2 million pilgrims from 80 countries around the world went to the shrine, 144,000 of which reached the monastery on foot. The average distance for a pilgrim group to travel is about 350 kilometers, made in 11 days. Behind me is the last few meters that the pilgrims make in their journey, in their pilgrimage to the shrine of Our Lady of Częstochowa. And even though they're really tired after walking hundreds of kilometers for the several days, even though their feet might be full of bruises, they're really happy they finally got here. They sing, they laugh, and this is what they see as they get here. And of course, the first thing they do is go in front of the miraculous painting of Our Lady of Częstochowa. When arriving in front of the icon of Our Lady of Częstochowa, as a sign of respect, pilgrims drop to their knees, and this way traverse the interior of the shrine. Every day at 9 p.m. the pilgrims gather at the icon to sing the Jasna Góra appeal, which is also broadcasted on television and in many radio stations. origin of the painting of the Black Madonna is not certain. According to some, it was painted by Saint Luke the Evangelist on the table of the Holy Family. According to a 15th century historian, Jan Długosz, it was given to the Pauline monks by the founder prince Władysław Opolczyk on the occasion of founding the monastery in 1384. Jasna Góra, the Bright Mountain, is undoubtedly the spiritual capital of Poland. Popes and heads of state for centuries now have visited this place, thanking for the blessings and asking for further protection of Our Lady of Chovan.
Matko Boska, Królowo Polska, o Pani nasza, Częstochowska.
That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Let me know in the comments if you would like to find out some secrets about some other Polish monasteries and shrines. And don't forget to subscribe, because next week I have some real treats planned for you. See you then.